Yo. The market just opened, man. 3:30 South African time. The market just opened. We are 2 minutes in. Two minutes in. So basically what I do is like fishing for my setups on 1 minute charts. I'm on a 1 minute chart right now. We opened here. Let me get my levels. I usually focus on 4-hour time frame for my direction. For time frame for my direction, we had a 4-hour bullish candle, so this would be my, I don't wanna see price take this, so I'll be looking for trading opportunities here on 1 minute chart. Then I would have that line over there. This one is not really that important. I will go to 15 minutes to look what price is actually doing. Let me get rid of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in a New York session. 6 candles in. 3:30 was the opening price. 3:30 here, new day opening price. We are 6 minutes in. We got this gap here, and there's another gap here, but since we open on this candle, I'm not looking at this gap. I'm actually focusing on this. And I see we're getting reaction from here, so I don't see my setup. I don't see my 1 minute setup. Though it looks like we are rejecting the H4 low. Remember, on H4 we have a bullish candle, right? On H4 we have a bullish candle, but now this is the low of that H4 bullish candle. Now it seems like we are rejecting the low, but we have not really like tested the low, you know. We have not really tested. We came close and got rejection. Though I'm not seeing my 1 minute setup entry, I'm just gonna sit on my hands. I'm not clicking anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm just watching price and wait for my 1 minute entry setup. Again, it's Silom follow trades. Silom follow trades. Subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell. Though we don't know what's coming, but just do those 3 things. I would appreciate you, man. I would appreciate you. Yesterday was massive. We had a strong push up, pull back a little bit, push up. Did we take the high? Nope, we did not. And a strong drop to the low. And now we're not taking a yesterday low. No, man. Something is fishing out here. I'm not engaging with this price until we take this low. Until we take this low and I get my entry set up, that's when I will engage price. Right now, it's not looking good. At least for my entry though, it's not looking good. And by the way, I'm trading it's a challenge equity step 2 account. I'm on phase 1 right now. On this phase 1, I'm up like 2%, $282. That's like close to 3%. So and best believe I was up like 6% like a couple of days ago, and we took the heavy losses, man. Then now we are here. Prices dropping is probably, you see now it's testing the H4 low. I wanted to see this, but what I want to see now is either are we rejecting or are we breaking. Right now we're getting a strong reject here. I'm not getting in yet. I'm just waiting to see if this rejection is genuine or is trying to entice me to get in so it can stop me out. You see, I'm waiting for my entry 1 minute setup before I get in. I don't just jump in. Nope. We are 12 minutes in a session. New York session. With 12 minutes in. What will happen if we break this level? Then I guess we're gonna drop. Price dropping. And now it's coming to this level. There's something that I forgot to check. If do we really have the news today or what? Tuesday USD, nope. 4 p.m. they're not really that important. Not the red. They're not really that important. I guess we're good to go. We don't really have the high impact news today. So we started with a strong drop, strong drop. You just wait and watch price move. That's the hardest thing one gotta do, man, to wait and watch price move. You sometimes wish like, damn, man, I wish I was in this move to the downside. But they didn't give us a setup to get in on, so we sit on our hands. We sit on our hands, bro. No setup, no entry. Ooh, we just dropping, bro. We just dropping. I wonder where are we going? This is no longer important. This is no longer important. Could this be? Nah, it's not. Maybe this, but I doubt if we would reach this level. I see a fair value gap that we have used it. So that's a crazy drop. Look at it, dog. That's a heavy drop. Just the pity we didn't get a entry setup to hop in. We didn't get the entry setup to hop in on, bro. Ish. But what do? We wait and wait and wait and wait until we get our entry set up. We are about 25 minutes in now in the session. About 25 minutes in a session. We about to get the first bullish candle after how many bears? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You know, bro, I learned the hard way, bro. Like, the hardest part is like sitting and doing nothing, just watching price like this. That's the hardest part about trading. The hardest thing to do is just to sit and watch price moves, bro. Like, That's the most difficult thing, bro. Because we as humans, we act on emotions. When it moves, learner, you wanna be in the move. You know what I mean? But sometimes you get in the wrong moves and you get slapped. The market will humble you, dog. Hence why I have a way of getting in and I'm getting out when I got like a 1 to 2 risk reward, you know. That's when I get out. If I get in with my entry setup and it slaps me, I'll take that with a chest, bro. I'll put that on my chest and be proud that I got in. I got in using my entry setup and take a loss. It's a loss that I learned from it. Hence why I'm saying I'm winning from my losing trades. If I lose a trade, it's a lesson. That's a win for me. So I know next time I shouldn't just jump in for the sake of being in the move. Nope. Is it gonna give us a continuation, or is it gonna give us a reversal? One of the two got to happen. Right now we have a first open. It has established a high and a low. I will look to take a buy if we run the low and close above the first open. Right now I'm not happy with the way we did not even take the first open. Like, the low of the first open is 961. This one will be 96169, 96179. We take it by not even a peep. Within the next 6 minutes candle from the first open, we should get an entry setup. If not, if it comes after that, I'm not engaging with it. It could be a trap, so I'm not engaging with it. Right now we in four candles in. We 4 candles in from the first open, taking out the low. Indecision, make decision, fail, I'm getting in. Indecision, make decision, fail, I'm getting in, bro. We got indecision, we make decision. Is the decision failing? If it fails, I'm getting in. And it looks like indecision, making decision, will fail. It looks like that. If it fails, I'm getting in. This candle closing above this, that's my entry. Right? That's my entry right there. 30 in, cover the one candle. Okay, I'm in a buying entry right now. Right here. 1 to 2. Cover the candle. That's what it is. This, you get in, you sit and wait the market to play. It's either it gives you an L or it gives you a W. Oh, why are we so down crazy like that? But price here is not like, oh, that's crazy though. Why is price so expensive? If that's the case, I'ma lose like more than, that's crazy though. But it's what it is. No, once it gets there, I wanna do the one candle, or even better, break even. We're running $1+$100. We reached the high. We might reverse here, so I'ma just collapse the trade. Or you know what? I'm at break even. So whatever happens, let's just say whatever happens. I'm at break even, but I see this high here. We might actually reverse from it. But a good thing is that we closing above this. That's the good thing, is that we're closing above this. And I'm going for 1 to 2, then we might be retesting this. So I'm just gonna get out here at 117. I backed what was it, 122. Okay, that's a win. I see this high and I see this level, this green line. We might be retesting this. So to be on the safe side, let me get out with a profit. That's a 1W for us, and this could be a great trade to the upside. So but I got what I was fishing for. I'm out, I'm good. Probably I was risking 0.5% for, we didn't even reach here by the time I pull out the trade. God damn. See, now we hit. I got out before we hit, but a win is a win. I come from, like I said yesterday, I was just taking losses, bro. Like, look at this. So I need to recover that. Hence why I secured this and back it. But it's crazy that price could fly. My entry, we got it. We out. We gonna wait for next setup. It will be crazy if this fly here. That would be crazy, bro, and it could. But I'm not looking to cash the whole thing. I just wanna get my piece of cake, then I'm out. You've seen how we have been patient from the opening, dropping, getting to this point, trying to manipulate us to get in, but we did not have the entry set up, so we waited for entries. Then it came to take out the low and push up. Then I got in here on indecision, make decision, fail. That's one of my entries. I got in 122, it's a W, we out. We don't care if it pushes here, or it could push here, or it could reverse. If we had break even, take us out and continue going up. So to avoid that, I always go for 1 to 2 risk reward. So it's a W for us, 1 W for us today. I call it a day, man. See you on the next video. Sell follow trades. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't miss the next video. Peace.